Hello students, hope you all are very good. And now one topic that we are going to do today is of English grammar. In grammar, we are going to start today with chapter number 8, that is articles. Okay, so you must have heard about earlier also in your earlier classes. So let us see first what is the definition of it. So what is the definition, Bicha? That an article is a word that modifies or describes a noun. It tells us about the noun. Most probably it is related to the quantity of that, okay, or the number of that. They are used before a noun to show whether it refers to something specific or not, okay. We are specifying something or not, okay. So in a way, article can be described as a type of adjectives, as they also tell us something about the nouns like adjectives. So we have learnt about adjectives, which are, and adjectives are also called the describing words, you all know, as they describes the nouns or pronouns. Same like that, articles also describe nouns, okay. So the words a, an and the are collectively called articles. There are three articles. They are a, an and the, okay. So types of articles, let us learn about. There are two major types of articles, which are, first is definite article, and the example of definite article is the. And second is your indefinite article. Indefinite article comprises a and an, okay. So about the definite article the, right. So what is definite means, Vijay? Definite means to be clear, exact or obvious about something, right. So an article is called definite because it is used in relation to a particular thing or person. When we are talking about a particular, when we are pointing out towards a particular thing or person, then our definite article is used. So the is the definite article over here, and which is used to refer to particular nouns, the identity of which is known to us, okay. So the definite article indicates that the noun is specific and the speaker talks about a particular thing. When we are pointing out towards a particular thing, at that time we use the definite article, okay. So just look at the examples. The cat sat under the table, okay. So here we are particularizing the cat, so we are using the in front of it, and the table as well, okay. That particular table the cat is sitting under, okay. I saw the movie that won this year's award. I saw a movie, if I'm saying, okay, so it could be any movie, but I am specifying that movie which has won the year's award, right. So in this case I will use the article the in it. Got it? So now let us learn about the uses of definite article the. So number one, the first use is that we use the before a noun when we talk about a particular member of a group. Member of a group means in the common noun, right? The minister was invited for inauguration function of the mall. Means here we are pointing out towards a particular minister and a particular mall, right? So that is why we are using the in front of both of them. So the minister was invited for inauguration function of the mall. Second rule is that article the is also used when noun is unique and one of its kind. Okay, when the noun is unique and it is one of its kind only, at that time also we use the article the. The morning star, the earth, the moon, the sun, the sky, the stars, the heaven, the hill, they all are one of their own kind. Okay, so that is why we always use the in front of them. Got it? So next, number 3 rule is that article the is also used on its subsequent reference after it has already been introduced or used while writing or speaking. For example, means if in a particular sentence we have already used that noun, but again we are using and we are continuing it to the next sentence. In that case also, in the next sentence we will use the article the in it, okay. So the example is, I saw a boy and a girl playing along the beach. Next sentence we will write the boy was making a castle using sand. So here you can see that in the first sentence, which are both the words boy and girl, they are countable nouns, right? Hence the words are preceded by a when used for the first time. When we are using them for the first time, we are using a in front of them. Why? Because we are telling about the number of them. But the same word is preceded by the when repeated in the same context. Got it? When we are writing or using the same nouns in the next sentence, or we are continuing it, so we will use the in place of a. Got it? The next rule of it is that definite article the is also used before superlative adjectives. Okay, superlative adjectives in front of them also we use the article the. The tallest tree, the most beautiful house, the longest rope, the least harmful medicine, and the best option. Okay, these are some examples of it. Okay, before superlatives, not the comparatives. Okay, before superlatives we always use the, and this is the main identification of the superlative degree of comparison of your adjectives. Okay, so simple sentences are here, just look at it. This is the smallest umbrella I have ever seen. So here you can see that in front of smallest also we are using the. Why? Because it is the superlative degree of comparison. And next sentence, our kitchen garden is the biggest in our neighborhood. Okay, here also we are using the in front of biggest. Number 5, next rule is that the is also used to represent the entire class or group of people, animals or thing. So if we are representing the entire class or group of the people or animals or thing, at that time also we use the. For example, the cat is as nice as dog. Okay, so here we are using cat for the entire family of cats, right? Entire group of cats. So the cat is as nice as dog. The toddler is naughty by nature. Now toddler, we are talking about it in general. So toddler mean all the toddlers in the world. Okay, they all are naughty by nature. Number 6 point is that it is used before the names of communities. Okay, so for example, the Hindus, the Muslims, Cholas, Christians, Sikhs, the English, the Aryans. So before all of them, before the communities also, which are we always use the. Okay, to specify them. Now, number 7 point is before the names of a sacred books, your newspaper, rivers, well-known buildings, mountain ranges, seas, oceans, islands, in front of all of them, which also we use the article. For example, the Gita, the Bible, Guru Granth Sahib, the Quran, the Times of India, okay, before the name of the newspapers, the Times of India, the Indian Express, the Hindustan Time, the Indian Express, etc. Okay, these are the examples of the newspapers. Next, rivers, the Ganga, the Nile, the Yamuna, the Indus, the Narmada, etc. Now the mountain ranges or hills, the Himalayas, the Western Ghats, and the Alps, etc. Now ocean, in front of oceans also we use the Indian Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, the Pacific Ocean, or the Arctic Ocean. Okay, so means in front of all these particular words we use the. Next rule is that article the is also used in phrases. Which kind of phrases? Like in the winter, in the summer, in the autumn, in the morning, evening. Means if we are talking about the time period or a particular season, at that time also we use the definite article the in front of them. In the afternoon, in the night, and linkers means the linking words, linkers like on the other side, to speak the reality, to tell you the fact, etc. Okay, so in such cases also we use the article. Next is we use the following a class. If we are talking about a particular class, means rich class, poor class, middle class, in front of them also which are we use the article. The rich, the poor, the middle class, the elite, the scheduled caste, etc. Okay. Next point is that we use the when of is a part of schools or universities name. if we are using of in the name of the schools or universities, at that time also we use the article. For example, the Institute of Chartered Financial of India. Okay, so why of Chartered Financial of India we are talking about? So that is why we are using the article the in front of it. University of Calcutta. So with of, because of we are using the in front of it. The University of Calcutta. Got it? So these are the definite article the. Now indefinite articles. Indefinite article, we are having two indefinite articles, you all know. They are a and an, right? So rules for using article a and an. So indefinite articles which are includes a and n. Articles a and n are called indefinite articles because they refer to any member of a group rather than a particular member of the group. Okay, we use them before a singular countable nouns. So any, in spite of any member, we use the particular member, a singular countable noun. Okay, a single person. For example, a means also which are one, and means also one, single quantity. Okay, so in front of countable nouns only we can use it. So a pen, a boy, a plant, a building, a man, a red umbrella, a camel, a swimming pool, a university, etc. Okay, these are the examples of. Now next rule is that we use a and n depending upon the sound with which a countable noun begins. Noun may begin with a consonant sound or a vowel sound. So which we all are aware of that a and n are used in front of the sounds. We check the sound first and then according to that we always use a and an. Okay. So we use an. When we use an is used if the following word begins with a vowel sound. Not only vowel, which are take care of this thing, not only vowel sound. Although they begin with a consonant. If they are also beginning with a consonant word, alphabet, then also if their sound is of vowel, then we will use an in front of it. For example, an apple. A, apple is starting with A. A is a vowel and the sound is also vowel. Apple, A, right? The sound is of A. An elephant, elephant. A-E-I-O-U comprises all the sounds of our swar in Hindi, which are that is from A to Aha. Okay. So if in front, in between A to Aha, any sound is coming from the word at the beginning of the word, that means that is your vowel sound. Okay, that doesn't matter at all if whether it is starting with any consonant alphabet or an vowel. Got it? An elephant, an avo. Here you can see H-O-U-R. H is your, though it is your consonant H, but the sound is of avo. The correct pronunciation is avo. Avo means a. Sound of a is coming, right? So an avo. An MBA. Here also M is your consonant, but the sound is of vowel. MBA. An MNC, an MLA, an MP, an umbrella, an octopus, an honest girl. Okay, so these are the examples. Just take care of the sound of the particular word. Okay. Next is we use a. When we use a, if the following word begins with a consonant sound. Now in a words which a article, we have to take care of the consonant sound. Okay. A table, a girl, and what are consonants? Consonants are 21 consonants we are having in English, and they comprises the sounds of all the vyanjan in Hindi. Vyanjan means ka to gya. Okay, ka to gya in Hindi. For example, a table, a girl, a book, a teacher, a union. Here see U is your vowel, right? But the sound is of union, year, right? So Y sound is coming over here. That is why we are using a in front of it. Got it? Next rule is that we usually use a and before a singular countable noun when we introduce a noun for the first time while speaking or writing. Okay, if we are introducing a singular countable noun first time, then we use a or an. Article A is also used in phrases like I have a headache, a bad cold, to be in a hurry, a good option, etc. These are the small phrases in which we use the article the a. Now, omission of article. There are omission of article. Omission of article means when we do not use the article, when article is not at all required in the sentence. Now, look at it. It is also very important. Where we omit it, where we neglect it or we do not use it. Number one is articles are not used before cities and streets. If we are talking about cities and streets, then we do not use article. For example, his clinic is in Ghaziabad. Not his clinic is in the Ghaziabad. That will be wrong, right? Here we omit your article. Next, skip article in case of material noun. If we are talking about any material, then we skip the article over here. Platinum is very precious. Not a platinum or the platinum is very precious. Don't waste water. Okay. We will not use the water or a water. Got it? Number 3 is skip article while referring to language. If we are talking about any language, then also we skip the article. For example, Hindi is my mother tongue. Okay, here Hindi is used for the language. We will not use any article in front of it. I scored good grade in English in my first term exam. Okay, here also which are in front of English, we will not use any article. Number fourth rule is that articles are not required while referring the name of a relation like brother, sister, mother, father, husband, God, etc. So articles are not at all required in front of these relations also. My brother is coming tonight. Mother is already home. Okay, not the mother or our mother is already home. Getting it? Next point is that article is not used before proper nouns like Qutub Minar, Rajiv, Delhi, except in few cases. In few cases only we use them. For example, he is the Shakespeare of our city. Okay, why? Because we are pointing out towards a particular person who is very famous. Getting the point? So that is why only we are using the in front of it. Okay, otherwise we will not use any article in front of the names. He is the Newton of this era. Okay, so here also Newton is a very famous person and a particular person which is, so that is why we are using the in front of it. Next, do not use any article before temple, church, school, hospital, bed, market, court, etc., which are visited for the primary purpose for which they have been created. If we are going to a market for purchasing something, that means the market is meant for that, right? So we will not use any article in front of it. She is going to market. Okay, she is going to market to shop something. She is going to the market. If she is going to the market for some particular purpose, then we will use for some other purpose. If we are using it, then only we will say that she is going to the market. Got it? So this is the difference. So this was your chapter, children. Thank you very much for listening, and just watch the video very carefully and take care of yourself and ask me the doubts in the session. So goodbye.